everyone, welcome back to Blueprint DIY. Angelina here, and I am so excited to be bringing you guys my spring and summer. I might do a summer one, so just consider this my spring thrift haul. And I am so excited about the stuff that I found. Instead of doing like thrift haul after thrift haul, I thought I would just kind of do a collective one of everything, all the really good stuff that I found. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Let's get right into it. Okay, so first up, I'm going to actually start with my absolute favorite piece, and it is these, like, don't ask me, I think they're dirt bike pants or motocross pants or some kind of racing pants, but I'm a big Marvel fan and they say Thor on them, so I really like these. They fit like a glove. You just zip them up in the middle. They're high-waisted, and I know exactly how I'm going to style them. I'm so excited about it. It's in next week's video. You do not want to miss it because yeah, it's gonna be epic. And I'm not just saying, I just love the way the refashion turned out. So you guys definitely subscribe so you don't miss that. But I just am in love with these. They just have that, you know, that rugged vibe. And of course, you guys know me, I have to pair them with something more dressy to get that yin and yang. That's just me. I love doing that. So yes, you don't want to miss that. Okay, so next up, I finally found the sports pants that actually fit me. I've seen these and I've been looking for them at thrift stores for a while. I think these are boys. Oh, and I forgot to say, I only paid $2 for those motocross pants. $2. And I got these for $1.75 at the Family Thrift Outlet. The brand is just online. They're boys extra large, so they actually fit me well. They have the opening on the side, like they're basketball pants that you can rip open, so I just wear a pair of shorts underneath them, and they're long enough where I can wear them with heels or just with sneakers. So I was so excited to finally find the black and red with the black with the red and white striped ones. So yeah, if you guys saw my video from last week, I'm sure some of you were like, those pants were perfect, you should have just left them as pants. But they were a little big on me, I felt like, and so I was really excited to turn them into the dress. So if you missed that video, definitely click the little eye and you can check that out, because I think it turned out really good. But I am definitely excited to wear these. Okay, so next up, I found this purse, and I was so excited to find this because I've really been looking at Mark Cross bags lately, and I just like the structure of them and how they look like a little suitcase. And so I found this little bag, and it's like a vintage style bag. It has a little clasp here that you turn in order to open it. It just has a basic opening. My son's church drumsticks are in there, but I just really think it's just a really nice structured purse, and I'm really into bags like this. I don't like the crossbody too much anymore. Like, just a little bag that you hold in your hand is like perfect for me these days. So I was really excited to find this at Savers in Chicago for $3, I believe. Okay, so next up is something I've been looking for a while, and it is this sheer top. And of course, these are very, you know, in right now. And I was looking for a black one. I think the black one would have been more versatile, but I was excited to find this one because green is my favorite color, and I actually have another green item in this haul as well. So in my hauls, I'll normally have at least a couple of green things, but I was really excited to find this. It's just a sheer like a mesh top, and I haven't found exactly the right thing that I want to wear underneath it yet, so I haven't worn it, I haven't styled it yet. Okay, so here's a simple little bonus DIY for you guys. I thought it would be really cool to have something graphic underneath this top, like an Adidas or a Nike bra top. But these abs ain't ready. So this weekend I went to the thrift store and looked for an Adidas t-shirt that I can turn into a tank top. I found this one for $6.50, and really it was so easy. And I'm going to show you how really quickly. First, I put the t-shirt on inside out and grabbed it by the side seams. Then I added a pin along where my new seam will go. Now, using the mesh top as a guide, I'll add pins at the shoulder where I want the neck and armhole to be cut. Next, I'll lay the shirt out and use a sliver of soap to mark a line along the pins, and also create an arm curve from the underarm of the sleeve to the outside shoulder pin. Then I'll draw a curve for a new neck hole. Fold the shirt in half and cut a bit outside the line for the armholes and neck hole only. Then sew the side seam along the lines and make sure to back stitch at the beginning and end of the seams. Now try it on again to see if it fits as snug as you like. Once it's just right, you can cut off the excess on the sides. For the edges, you can leave them raw, or turn them under and sew them down, or serge them, which is what I'll be doing. If you decide to sew them in any way, make sure to stretch while you sew, so it'll still stretch afterwards. Okay, so that's it. Add the mesh on top and you've made it look completely different. Oh, and Charlie says to tell you guys hi. But I'm really excited to style it. I got it for $1.75 at Family Thrift Outlet. Okay, next up, we're gonna back the green up with something else green, and it is this Varsity jacket. And I was really excited to find this. I just like the stark green and white, green on white. And I guess it was someone's swimming jacket. It has a little swimmer here, and it says Pace, and it's a B. That has nothing to do with me, but I just really think it's cute. Very, you know, athletic inspired, which you guys know that I love. So I'll really be excited to get some good wear out of this in the spring. And because I live in Houston, mostly in the winter, next winter, but you know, it's still cute. And this was $1.75 at Family Thrift Outlet. Okay, so next up is something that I have been looking for a while. I've tried them different styles on at different thrift stores, and it is this cream little lace kind of crop top. It's a little bit long on me. It's not really that cropped, which is great because I don't want it that cropped. But it looks great with high-waisted jeans or, you know, high-waisted pair of pants. And I just really like this lace. It's like a crochet more than it is lace, but I finally found one that fits me. I got this at Salvation Army for, I believe it was $3. Okay, so next up is this button-up dress that I got from the Gap. I got this from Family Thrift Outlet and I paid $2 for this. And I really, really like this dress. I think it's like kind of sporty with the flannel. And I wore it with some black ankle boots and like long white socks. So I just really like the way it looks, and I like the split on the side and how it has the curved bottom. I really, really like that. Okay, so next up is a staple piece and something that I've seen back on the runway. I see that on the runway for fall and winter of 2018, people are starting to wear the large band pants kind of low on their waist, and so I really like the way that is looking. So I wanted to try to find a pair of structured tailored pants with the large band, and so that's what I did. These are a navy blue pair of Ann Taylor pants, and these still had the price tag on them, I believe, and they were at the outlet for $2. So I definitely couldn't pass them up. They're long enough for me, which we all know that that's hard to find, and they have the large waistband and they're in perfect condition. So I was super excited to find these just don't go out of style. So you know, I have a hard time finding like business pants, so I was really excited to find these. Next up, I want to show you guys, I have tried overalls since they came back out, and I just haven't found the right pair for me, and I finally found the right pair. They're these pair of black wash denim. The wash on them is perfect. I love the wash on them. They're not too dark, not too acid wash. They are the brand, they're H&M, and they're a skinny fit. So I just think that that's a really good update on the overall. I wear them down. I don't wear them up on my shoulders. I wear them down because I just like that aesthetic. I like the way it looks. So I just love these, and I'm really, really excited to have found them. They were $2 at Family Thrift Outlet. Okay, last but certainly not least, you guys know that I love to cut off like a regular pair of mom jeans and have them frayed at the end. And as I get, I guess, more emotionally healthy, have been gaining weight, so I had to go look for some more pairs of them, and I found these Levi Strauss pair, and they are, again, a little boy's pair of pants. So they were already too short, of course, but I wanted them short because I wanted to cut off the edge of them and let them fray. So I was so excited. I love the wash on these. They are medium blue, but a perfect wash, and they have like an old school Levi Strauss tag on the back. But the other thing is that makes them my absolute favorite is this wallet or phone outline on the back. Call me crazy, but I just love that type of character. You know that it's genuine, like the distressing is genuine. It's not something that was done at a factory or anything like that. It just happened over time and wear. So I just love these. I'm so excited to have them. They were $2 at Family Thrift Outlet. Yes, Levi's for $2, and they are perfect. So I'm so excited to have these. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want me to follow it up with a summer haul. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. And like I said, you do not want to miss next week's video. So definitely subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.